Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and a Punched Out Thursday to Die For with Kathy, Krista, myself, and Dorothy. And today we're going to announce that we're having a giveaway. So be sure, before you leave the channel, to leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed. And to the other 3 channels too. But go find out some more information on Kathy's channel. I know the drawing will be like the end of the month, so you got time to get in on it, but find out all the details from her channel. I showed you my ladybug die. Well, it's a ladybug bumblebee die. It's Sizzix, and I've had it forever, and I love this die, and it makes the cutest little ladybugs. But I'm also going to make one with my punches so you can see how it can be made with the punch. And that's my biggest oval punch. And I'm just going to punch black and red out both. And I'm cutting down the middle, and see how I cut down the middle of one of the other ladybugs? Like the wings is open a little bit, because when you see ladybugs, it don't look like all their wings are together. It looks like some of them's ready to fly off. And so I decided to make the punched out one that way too. And instead of punching the holes and worry about where I'm going to get them, I just punched out some 1/4-inch black circles and put them on there. And then I used my dragonfly, and this is the body of the dragonfly, but I'm going to use them like antenna on my little ladybug. Well, maybe he's a guy. He's a little bigger than the other 3 is. But it was the biggest oval punch, and then the head is the 1-inch oval punch. And the little circles are a 1/4 inch. I'm going to use a couple of different border punches here. 2 of my favorite. I'm going to put the scallop on the top and this one here at the bottom. And I'm going to use some plaid. Well, that Christmas paper right there, that wreath, I don't think I'm ever going to use. But I really like the other side with the red plaid because it reminds me of summer and picnics. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger than my picture, but I am not going to lay my picture straight. I'm going to put it at an angle, kind of like, when you have those rides at the carnival and they have the little animals they set in, the little kids anyway, and they kind of go around in a circle like a merry-go-round. That's what her ladybug reminds me of, but it don't look like it has the arm coming out like it really does go around and around. It's probably one of those ones that kind of rock back and forth, but I thought it looked cute like it was flying. Her ladybug in the picture don't have antenna, but I figured I'd go ahead and put them on mine anyway. I pulled out this phrase for my title, and it's Meet Me in the Sunshine. And I thought that'd be a really cute title because it's, Meet Me in the Sunshine. And you can tell she's out there in the sunshine having fun. And it's black, and I'm wanting red and black for my layout. Well, I do have some pink too, but I mostly wanted to get the red and the black to kind of highlight my ladybugs. I pulled out this doily just because I thought it'd add a little more picnic feel, like it was a napkin that you could use. And I'm just going to glue it to the side of the ladybug picture. And I'm just going to add a few things on top of it. If I'd been thinking and put it straight, I could have maybe put the Meet Me in the Sunshine on most of it. But I like it this way. I'm going to put all of my ladybugs on foam tape to give them some dimension, like they're crawling around on the picnic table. Yeah, they're kind of big for ladybugs. I do have a die that makes them smaller, but I thought I'd go with the bigger ones today. I'm going to use some stickers from the sticker sheet, and I'm only going to use half of a sticker from the chipboard, and it's that one right there, and it's a lemon. And somehow I'm going to lose the other half. I don't know where it went. I looked for it, and I didn't find it to put back up. I didn't find it to use the other half anywhere. So I don't know what I ended up doing with it. I'll probably find it later. This one says, I love summer. And so I'm cutting most of the white off. Most of the time I don't get all of it. Well, it looks like I pretty much got all of it on that. On the flowers, I leave some because there's some little tiny flowers. I'm not even going to try to fussy cut out. I wanted to add the flowers though to give it more of a gardeny feel, because ladybugs, you see them a lot in the garden. Of course, I'm not sure if gardeny is actually a word, but that's the feel that I was going for. The flowers in this is Summer Fun, I think's the name of this collection. I think that's what it is. And I picked it because it had more reds than any of the others that I had. And all of them's like leftovers pretty much from me doing a collection, where you get it's Echo Park, so you get the one for like $15. And I wanted to mostly use reds in here, but then I ended up using the browns. I really like the browns. I used the I Heart Summer because that little heart had red plaid, and I thought, oh, I got to use that. And I'm also going to use a watermelon on here, and I'm going to use that little sign there that says summer was made for good friends and great adventures. And it looks like Isabella's on an adventure. Now, Isabella's only 3. She's born on the same day as my granddaughter, but she is taller than my granddaughter. My granddaughter's tall for her age, but the doctor said that she's more the height of a 5-year-old. And her mom was the same way. She ended up pretty tall. But that's it. That's my layout. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. Oh, you've got to leave a comment below because of the drawing. Leave a comment below. Hit the thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. But thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to check out Kathy, Krista, and Dorothy's video today and leave them a comment, a thumbs up, and subscription. But thank y'all so much for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye.